Welcome back to Compton Services. Today we have another dryer vent inspection and cleaning video. However, this one's a little different. During the inspection, we were able to find a significant issue inside the ductwork. There is a bent flange inside of the metal duct that is preventing airflow. You can see here that there is a substantial blockage in that flange. And as we slow this video way down, you're going to notice all of the debris that are behind that bend in the flange. Due to the inspection, we were able to let the homeowner know, show them proof of this obstruction so they can contact a professional to have this fixed. It is vital that you at least hire a professional to come out and do a video inspection on all of your ductwork to find issues like this before they become a much bigger problem. Thank you for watching, and as always, like and follow.